Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to align text in tables, columns in Microsoft Word to make your table look clean, organized and professional. Proper text alignment helps readers understand information quickly and improves the overall design your document. Microsoft Word provides survival alignment options such as the left, center, right, top, middle and bottom alignment inside table cells. In this video we'll learn how to apply these settings easily to make your tables look perfectly structured. So let's get started. We can see here assignment for my college. Now I want to align table data by column. You can select the column at first, click and drag on our mouse, otherwise we can see here a arrow sign. Now I select the sign, then go to the layout menu. We can see here the center option, otherwise middle or the bottom. You can make the left or the right, etc. Otherwise you can align another cell. Now I am select the right. Now we can see here we align the table column data very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.